Hello guys, welcome to my channel Information Technology. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix the 14 volt adapter. Let's see here. First of all, we have to make the AC mode. Uh, then check here 246 volts, so we find here. And then here you see 14.0 volts and then 1.43 ampere. Okay, let's check here. We find a DC supply or not. Here we have to find a 14.0 volt here, but we didn't find here. That's why this adapter is not okay. So we're gonna check another component here. Let's make DC mode here, and then let's check here the capacitor. Okay, see here, and decreasing the value to the capacitor. Okay, you can discharge also. You can discharge the capacitor also by touching the 2 points, and then it will be 0 0 0. Okay, and then step by step here. Let's check here, and then here is fuse, and then not this one is fuse actually. We have to get the continuity. Alright, and then the yellow one is the what is called this is not thermistor, this is non-polar PF. Alright, and then see here, the fuse, yeah, the fuse is okay. Here we get the continuity to the fuse. And then let's check here another non-polar PF. This has actually no problem here. Maybe I think the problem is to the diode. Here's 2 diodes here. Maybe one of the diode is the problem. Here, yeah, as you see here, and into the another board. Okay, there's a diode, and the black color, long black color is also diode, and then another black color is also thermistor. We can call thermistor. Okay, and this one you see here showing the value. It means this thermistor is also good. Okay, and let's check here. Okay, let's check here the diode. Okay, the positive, this is positive probe, positive to positive, negative to negative. Okay, no need to show the value. Okay, if we check the opposite, okay, need to show the value. It means this diode is good. Alright, no problem. And then let's see here another components, and then let's see here another component here. Here one of the capacitor is very big here. In this capacitor, here is highest voltage, low microfarad. Alright, but this capacitor is no problem. If any kind of problem here appear, sometimes the plastic broken, sometimes and the black sign available here. Okay, it means capacitor is not good. But there is not any kind of sign here to the capacitor. That it means this capacitor is good, no need to check again. And then this is transformer here, also good. And then we're gonna find here, okay, right now we're gonna check the diodes here, both sides. Is there continuity available or not? Alright, for the diode, the true testing is good if you can check after removing the 1 points. Alright, let's remove both of 2 points, and then we're gonna check the both diodes. Alright, here I need to remove 2 points because if we check the continuity modes, we didn't find the shortage problem. That's why we remove 2 points. Alright, to the diodes. First of all, let's apply the solder a little bit, and then you hit it. It will remove automatically. Hit here. It look like difficult, but if you try, it's very easy. But not you be lazy. If you try step by step, it will be easy automatically. Here you see here, here, positive probe to positive, negative probe to negative. Okay, there is showing the value, and then another that's After finishing the replacement, you have to clean by the alcohol. Alright, that's better. See here, little bit plate sign. Okay, if you can clean by the alcohol, also good. Like this way, you can fix any kind of adapter, right? Make sure the multimeter to the DC bolts. Let's see here, we find about 14.34 volts. Alright, it means this adapter is absolutely okay. Alright, okay guys, thank you for watching.